How to set a song as a ringtone on Android. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to set any song as your ringtone on Android. First thing first, head over to settings menu. Once your settings is open, scroll down a bit until you find this option. So go ahead and tap on sound and vibration. Then you're going to have to tap on ringtone. Once you tap on it, just select which SIM you want to change the ringtone to. Then from there, you can find the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. And you will be able to see all of the songs that are there on your phone. So you can just go ahead and select any one of them. So let's just go ahead and select this. And then once you've selected it, all you have to do is tap on done. And you should be able to change your ringtone pretty easily. So if I just tap on this, as you can see here, the ringtone has changed. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you change your ringtone on Android as a song. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.